Hi, I built my own social media scheduler using Excel and Google Sheets. Simple, efficient, and completely free. No subscription, no monthly fees, and a system that works. Everything I need is centralized here. My posting schedule, content status, revision requirements, and the performance tracking of all my social media platforms. Yes, this is very easy to use. Aside from manually updating the process, there are ways to reduce the workload, like inserting the links to my social media accounts and the content I created. I also organized everything into personalized folders and my Google Drive exclusively for this task. Oh, this is from my Excel. So all of here in the second column are the platforms: LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. This is my Excel copy. I might delete it to avoid confusion or keep it as a backup, since I'll be using Google Sheets instead. That way, every time I update information, it saves automatically. I just finished creating the scheduler as my tool for SMM post monitoring. It's obviously not completely done yet, and I'm sure I'll be making a lot of revisions to make it more accessible and easier to use. I assigned a specific color to each platform so I can easily recognize them. Pink for YouTube, blue for LinkedIn, and so on. I'll use this account only for this task. In Google Drive, every step of the process has its own folder so I can easily find what I need and take the necessary action. I've already created sheets for the next few days by simply copying, pasting, and making a new sheet for each day. See how easy and accessible Google Sheets for your scheduling tool. And the best part, it's completely free.